Hi, I'm Paul.
And I'm Dave.
Welcome to Coldwind Reviews. And today we're going to do the unboxing of the Xbox Series X.
Yep.
I just got it today. So here you have a current view of my actual setup. I still don't know where I'm going to put the Series X. Maybe I'll put it here, somewhere, there.
On the side, 1 terabyte SSD. Imagine if an Xbox One or a PlayStation 4 came with 1 terabyte SSD. We've come a long way since the first PlayStation and the first Xbox.
Okay, so here's the box. I think everybody's seen the box quite a lot for the moment. We can find it a little bit everywhere on internet. Yeah,
There's a little bump on it. Little hole.
Master Chief.
Green Man.
And a quick recap of what's inside.
Careful now, don't break it just yet.
So let's see what's inside. It's a nice way to expose what's in the box. So before I go any further, honestly, I thought it was gonna be bigger. So it's really reassuring to see it's smaller than what I thought. So for the moment, it's a great unboxing experience, but it's heavy. Okay, so I heard a lot of people say it was heavy. I really didn't think it was gonna be this heavy.
Don't drop it.
It's a heavy box. So I'm gonna put this aside for a moment, trying not to break it. We've got the instruction manual. Everybody says you have to have your phone, but I already have an account, so it should be easy. It's really something that is really not important, but what I like about this is that they're not glued to the box. So for recycling purposes, it's gonna be easier. And here, what do we have here? So there should be the HDMI cable, ultra high speed, so it's the 2.1.
Yeah. What's the length of the cable?
I suppose it's a standard 1.5 meters, the power cable, and the controller. It still looks like the Xbox controller. You do have the grips here on the side, but it's a little bit smaller.
Oh.
Let me see.
Okay.
Honestly, you can't really tell the difference, but it feels a little bit smaller.
Controller kind of looks the same, except for the D-pad, maybe.
The D-pad, it's the one that was copied from the Elite controller, and the triggers are smaller.
Yeah, put them side by side.
Yeah, you see they're slightly smaller triggers. I like the little clicky sounds.
Good quality.
And the new share button, it's really well placed. It's not too far, so it's going to be easy if you want to quickly do something to just press on it without even looking. So the classic standard battery holder, but I'm going to do a test because like it's slightly smaller than the older controllers, some of the third-party batteries don't work. So I'm going to check if mine do work.
It does not seem to go in.
Okay, so these won't work. No, we can't.
So this third-party battery is not compatible with this.
You see the holes aren't aligned. Do these align? And these won't align either. Okay, so that's gonna be a little problem. All my old controllers will still be using these two battery packs. I'll just have to buy a new one for the new controller. Let's get to the console. Honestly, I want to be gentle because it's my first unboxing.
Yes, be gentle.
Let's try and be civilized.
Careful now.
Okay, so this matte black finish is really gorgeous. This is a really beautiful box. I don't even want to touch it.
Don't put fingerprints all over it. Go wash your hands.
So just in case, I'm gonna go wash my hands once more and I'll be back.
Just as a reminder, this is a 3.8 gigahertz 8-core Zen 2, well, custom Zen 2. The GPU is a custom RDNA 2 with 12 teraflops, 52 CUs. It has 16 gigabytes of memory, 1 terabyte SSD, and when it comes to the price, it starts at $500 US.
A few moments later. Okay, so I'm back. I washed my hands 3 times.
You better.
With my luck, I'm still gonna leave some fingerprints all over it. Oh, this is a heavy box. This is really a beautiful box. Xbox. Hello from Seattle. So you have all your IOs and the expandable storage slot. That's something I'm going to try later on. And you can see really the green plastic. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there. You can see the green plastic under it.
That green top part does look nice. Put the controller next to it.
This is honestly a beautiful console. I really like simple things and I really like sharp edges. So this is really great. I just have to find where to place it because I want to see it. Okay, so if I put it there, I see a little glimpse of the green halo effect. I still have access to the CD player, the DVD Blu-ray player, and I still have access to my USB-A port. But I'm not quite sold on it for the moment. But at least I know that it goes perfectly there. Okay, so that's about it. I hope you liked this first unboxing we did on our channel.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell button.
See you on the next video.
Bye.